What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video I have a new guest that I'm going to make her over for a wedding that we're going to today. So if you are interested in seeing this beautiful glam transformation, then just keep watching. Okay, so first things first. There's the camera. Johnny is going to be in the back if you need any assistance.
Johnny is over here.
But the only downfall to Johnny is he doesn't get paid. She doesn't get paid, so her work ethic is a little... Alright, so we're going to get started. This is called primer.
Okay, thank you. Lesson 1, done.
This primes the skin so that when you put your foundation on, it gives it a more seamless finish. So it looks...
Even?
Sorry. Correct. Very good.
That got me learning already.
Look at you go. But you already have nice skin to begin with, so...
First nice thing you say to me, too.
Listen, Johnny, your phone's going to need to go on silent real quickly.
Which one?
See.
With colors, please.
Pink.
This one?
Yeah, sí. Muy bien.
Gracias.
De nada. Okay. So we're going to put it everywhere, but we're not going to put it under your eyes because we don't want to dry them out. How's that brush feel on your face?
It smells really good, though.
No, but how does the brush feel?
Good.
Because we know what brushes she's been using.
Yeah. Oh,
And
you're going to judge me now? Really?
didn't one of them not even have a handle? It was just the head.
They don't. Yeah. Stop. These people.
These people.
This is the difference that I have.
Okay, foundation. What foundation do you normally use?
No, stop with questions. Why would you do this?
I'm giving the audience the background story of your experience with makeup.
None. There you go.
She doesn't even wear foundation. So, snack break. So this is the Luminous Silk Foundation in the color
5.5.
5.5.
There you
See?
go.
Oh yeah, that's a good match, actually. We're gonna roll with it. After all, we're going to a wedding, so you need to look presentable.
Oh, thank you. Because I don't usually. Thanks.
No! Johnny,
Yep,
how's it going over there?
it's good. Beating the face.
Do you know what that means?
No.
She's a-
Mexican here, I think. Thank you.
It means that you're putting your makeup on really, like, a lot. Not aggressive. Oh my gosh. That just means, like, not beating, like, beat the face, like, you know.
No, like, okay.
You know, like you're really going glamorous.
Okay.
You're doing a lot of makeup.
Okay.
Not like you're physically assaulting your face.
Okay. Let me finish.
Okay, next is concealer. Who is this by? Trick and Treat.
Yeah.
Is this a Halloween themed
No.
treat while you trick?
Mm-hmm.
Where did you get this?
Ulta? Online only.
This is a little skeptical, but we're gonna go with it. Hey, honey. That's the brand.
Uh-huh.
It's their concealer apparently, but it's called Trick and Treat, like,
Treat your dark circles.
and trick them into thinking that they're not going away.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Well, normally concealer's not named Halloween themed, but we're gonna go with this one. It's a good color for you. This is color light to medium. Let's go with the brush, this little brown one. to the right.
This
That's
one?
left.
You have
right.
like 1,000.
Right.
This one.
This one!
This one.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this is going to cover all the dark circles.
Okay.
But in a little bit of a lighter color than the foundation because you want the eye to appear bright and light. So next we're going to set the face because if we don't set it with powder then it's just going to get like, and it's just going to start moving around. So we're going to set it with, oh, guess what? Guess who came out with highlighters? Cody Airspun. Yeah. So this brand has been around since like our great grandmothers were alive. And they only came out with one product, which was this powder. And the other video that we did together with Michelle, I said, what is Cody Airspun doing? Well, let me show you what Cody Airspun's doing. Apparently they got a new VP or something because they're on the ball. They came out with 3 loose face highlighters.
Have you tried them?
No. But I need to. And guess where they sell it? Freaking Walmart.
What?
Yeah. $5.97.
What?
You can't see. You need to get on it.
I know.
Right up
You need to
that salad.
teach me what to buy. And where to buy it. And how to put it on. And then it's just too much work.
Oh my god.
So we're gonna take this. I'm just gonna lightly tap under the eyes. Since we're going to a wedding, we are going to use a little bit more of a heavy duty powder for the face. Okay. This is the Kat Von D in a medium 57. Okay. We're just going to do just a tiny bit of this on the cheeks.
What is this for?
Powder, the same that I put under the eyes, but it's just for the rest of the face. Gonna give color back and set everything so it doesn't move. Now, let's move on. For the eyes, look at this new palette I got.
Beautiful.
Oh, I love it.
Isn't that cool?
That yellow.
Natasha Denona does it again. I think this is called like the Sunset palette. So we're just gonna do, we're not gonna do anything crazy.
Please.
Because I don't want you to freak out. We are going to take a neutral color. The color Bermuda. Like the Bermuda Triangle. Have you ever heard of that?
Yeah. Oh my God. Is this culture class as well?
I brought my white one.
If you show up to my wedding in white, your head will be decapitated.
I'm just doing it soon. Hi!
Get out! How about one of those more dense brushes? The short pink one. Yep, pink, pink.
Got it.
Hey. And let's go with Bronzag. Bronzaggy. Bronzaggy. Bronzag.
How do you spell it?
Bronzage.
Bronze. Bronze egg.
Okay, well we're going in with that one. Just on the lid. I'm going to do the same thing underneath on the bottom lash line. And then we're going to take just a touch of Terra just in the corner. Okay, so now we're going to move on to bronzer using our Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer. And this is a little bit more of a cool tone light bronzer, which I think will go great with your fair skin tone. And we're just going to go around the perimeter of the face. Heavens to Betsy. Who is messaging you? It better be Faye. If it starts with an A, I'm breaking your phone.
No.
No. I'm a new friend.
Excuse me?
let's finish.
Blush, this is from Target and Walmart.
Okay.
L'Oreal. And this is in the color Charming. It's their Enchanted Blush. It's just like a very simple mauve color.
Is it because we're going to a wedding that I use that one?
No. It's just a neutral color. This has got like a nice luminous finish. Now, moving on to the brows. For you, I'm going to use the ColourPop Precision Brow Pencil in Bangin' Brunette. To brush them up and fill in. Are you even looking at our shot, Janya?
Oh, sorry.
Mm-hmm.
It's beautiful.
Apologize to the people if this is a poor shot.
No, the brows look great. Steph, can you like turn towards the camera more? Yeah.
Oh, you look like a QVC model.
Yeah.
So now we're going to do some highlight in the eyeball. And we're going to use Ice Gold instead of Ice Cold. Get it?
What is No. So bad.
For lips, we're doing Fenty Beauty in the shade Unbutton. It's like a nice nude pink. I don't know who sings that though. Is it Enrique Iglesias? Who sings that?
I
Who sings that song, Nicole? I mean, Janya.
I'm tired and I'm old.
So we're trying to not make
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Should we zoom for this part?
Let's do it, Janya.
Yeah.
But that's going to require you actually volunteering to help.
What?
No.
What?
It's none of your business. Just like who you're texting isn't any of my business.
Oh my god.
Sorry. Okay.
If you end up with a Sharpie brow, that's not my fault.
No. I'm trying to control